The all-new Cut the Wire game. A device is ticking and is about to go off. Which wire will you cut? Which is danger? Which is safe?
Hello, this is Mr. Tiep, the commander of the Iron Claw PMC that's talking to you. Your wannabe fucking army just ruined my plans. You will be dead for your fucking actions. Don't deserve to live. You literally made a bigger enemy than you thought. I will be your fucking nightmare. I will be your fucking enemy. You deserve nothing other than death. So the Iron Claw PMC declare its belligerent state against your wannabe federation of bullshit and bullcrap and shit. You deserve to die. All your members deserve to die. So we will see again. It won't be the last time. And surely we will be the only victors of this fucking war because you're a fucking idiot. Halal halal, zenga zenga from Mr. Tim. This is everything. Watch your fucking anus, watch your fucking back because we are coming.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is the Bounce Federation's International High-Level Emergency Broadcast System. Stay tuned for more information. We are broadcasting in various countries around the world including USA, Canada, Brazil, United Kingdom, Finland, Austria, Germany, Slovakia, Poland, Italy, Bosnia, Albania, Congo, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, Iran, India, Japan, Australia. It has been reported that the various Bounce Federation bases present in these nations listed above are receiving heavy attacks from forces identified as those of the PMC Iron Claw. The skirmishes taking place at this time are of high intensity with reported use of tanks, artillery, attack helicopters, aircraft and motorized and non-motorized infantry. If you live or are passing through the area surrounding our bases, here's what you need to do. Evacuate or move away from areas where there is conflict for a distance of at least 20 kilometers/12 miles if a bunker is not available. Follow the evacuation plans of your cities or our station army to find a safe place as soon as possible. Don't panic, it could make it difficult or endanger the safety of yourself and those around you. Do not hinder the work of the army during the evacuation. Questions are allowed but no other actions. Trying to attack or block our troops voluntarily will be repelled with lethal force depending on the situation. The status of the conflict in your area will be broadcast via radio and TV to make information available. That's all from the Bounce Federation broadcast system. Try to stay safe and good luck.
Secret clues will help you decide. It's the